This video will cover how to pack a road bike in a Bikeflights Bike Box Large or a BBL for the 2024 USA Triathlon Olympic and Sprint Distance National Championships. The process may vary depending on the size of your bike, but typically you will need to do the following things. Remove pedals. Remember your left pedal is threaded the opposite way. Remove your front wheel, and if you have disc brakes, place a spacer or piece of cardboard in your front brake caliper to prevent the pads from coming together. Secure it with a zip tie or piece of masking tape. Shift your rear wheel into the easiest cog to keep your derailleur as far away from the wall of the box as possible. We recommend removing disc brake rotors so they don't get bent or damaged in transit. Remove bottle cages. Remove or lower your seat post. You can save this step for last if you're using a work stand. Just don't forget it. You may need to remove your handlebars so that your bike fits in the box. Once you've removed the necessary items, you will need to protect your bike. We recommend using recycled cardboard or foam pipe insulation to cover or pad your frame's tubes and fork legs. Protect your dropouts by using spacers to prevent external forces from damaging your frame in transit, with the patented axle spacers that are supplied with all Bikeflights boxes. They are designed to fit 9 different axle widths. Protect your axles with the supplied axle protectors to prevent them from making holes in the side of the box or rubbing against your frame or other wheels during transit. Once your bike has been protected, secure anything loose or hanging like your handlebars if they had to be removed. For small parts like your pedals, bottle cages, seat bag, rotors, etc., we recommend making a small parts box. This prevents loose items from moving around in your bike box during transit and causing damage to your bike. Now it's time to place your bike in the BBL. Put your bike in the box so that your derailleur faces inside of the box. Ideally, there shouldn't be a lot of room. Your bike and gear should fit snugly but not cause the box to bulge. Use bungees provided in our Bikeflights bike boxes to secure individual parts like a wheel to the divider so they do not move during shipping. Now that your bike is packed, be sure to take photos of your pro pack job. They will help expedite the claims process in the unlikely case damage occurs. Place the lid on and secure it in place with the pinch clips provided. Now it's time to attach your label. Depending on the package you selected, the next time you see your bike, Nirvana Travel will have it assembled and tuned up or safely waiting for you to assemble it. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related tips, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.